The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall!
Main team. Right, rough out, man. I want you. I know a thing about that. Don't say I'm grimy and rough. No, God. See there, catch a kid on the national. Play. Skeleton, man.
Viewers and subscribers, you see the video that I just presented to you? That video is out on social media where it is said that persons in prison are enjoying themselves. You see me I say? More things have been said about it, viewers and subscribers. But you see, on a real, have you heard a thing where them say prison life not nice? Eh? Now, even though this video shows something as if these persons are enjoying themselves, you see me? I wouldn't encourage anyone to find themselves in a situation where they would end up in prison. You understand? So, let me know what you think about that video. You understand? Alright. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. You see it? Now, I have a video I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show a female talking about a female who goes by the name of Miss Donna on social media. You see what I say? Now, viewers and subscribers, it had came to my attention that some persons on social media are bashing Miss Donna for some things that she had said and maybe for some things that she had done. You see me? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to take a listen to some of the things that this person had said in this video that I'm about to present to you. In my opinion and in my point of view, I think that this person said some things in this video that gave me the understanding that this person is defending Miss Donna. You understand? So, take a look and listen and observe with me.
Ah, Jesus have mercy, Jesus have mercy. I'm telling you guys need to stop. Stop. Stop going to the woman house and beat off the woman door. Una run up the woman blood pressure. I do charity myself, and I'm telling you, this thing can be very stressful to the point where you don't even want to do it. This is a person that is doing so much for Jamaica, and some of you guys just come on the woman page and talking all this negativity. What are you guys doing for Jamaica? What are you guys doing to help Jamaica? Every single day we get up and we say we want Jamaica to be a better place. We want this, we want that. But how many people are off the change? How many people are working towards the change? How many people are getting up and saying, I am a part of the change? How many people are supporting? My goodness. This morning I'm looking at her and I'm telling you, people are saying you should not get upset. But how can you not get upset when people are invading your privacy? You go out every day trying to see how you can help so much people, and then at your own home where you're supposed to have peace, people feel that it's okay for them to come there and want to invade. Why? There's a phone you call. Why do you need to invade in people's privacy like that? Like what's wrong with people? Jamaican people, you guys sometimes are very gravelicious. You guys are very, very gravelicious, man. You guys need to stop it. You guys need to stop it. It does not look good. You leave your yard and come at woman's house 1 o'clock in the morning. Like, are you serious? No, sir. These things get me really upset. Really, really upset. Miss Donna is doing a charity program, yes. But Miss Donna is not obligated to help everybody that needs help. It's not an obligation. You understand? She is not Jesus Christ. She can do as much as she can. But why do people think that this Miss Donna can go and help every single person that is in need? No, she cannot. and showing up at her door is just gonna push her to want to stop doing this good deed charity program. And she is the one that's making the most difference in Jamaica right now. Can you imagine a Jamaica without what Miss Donna is doing right now? Can you imagine? Look at the amount of stuff that she has done for Jamaica. And some people still have the common courtesy to want to come and disrespect this woman for wanting to tell people to stop coming to her house. No, sir. This is too much. This is too much. This is way too much. I'm telling you. We as black people, we as Jamaican people, we need to do better. We need to do better. Because this is affecting the progress of Jamaica. This is affecting the progress of Jamaica, guys. Too much of these women sit down and they think that the world owes them everything because they have babies, because they have children. The world does not owe you anything. The person who got you pregnant, that is who owe you something. So if someone get up and want to help you, be thankful for that. But do not go to the people them house and expect Miss Donna to just want to do everything for you. That is not how it works. You have to have respect. You have to have common courtesy. You have to realize that she is a human being. She's also a human being. You understand? I don't get it, man. I don't get it. How can people be so inconsiderate? How can people be so heartless when it comes to wanting to give someone their own space to breathe? Oh, Jesus, I glorify you. I don't know. How can Jamaica be a better place if we are like this? How can it be a better place? Oh. I have so much people messaging me in my inbox telling me that they have 4 children, they have 5 children, they have 6 children. I'm like, do we pray anymore? Do we go to God for help anymore? Or do we just think that the world, people in the world is obligated to fulfill everything that we need? Do you understand? What happens to trying to find something to better yourself? What happened to trying to find a job? What happened to all these things? As a single mother myself, I understand that sometimes you're going to fall. Sometimes you're going to be in need. You understand? Sometimes you're going to be in a situation where you need assistance. But when that assistant comes to you, you have to be grateful and you have to be thankful. It doesn't matter how small it is, you have to be grateful and you have to be thankful for it. Do not put it in your head to convince yourself that the world owes you everything. Not because you are a single mother does not mean that the world owes you everything. You understand? The person who got you pregnant, that is who owe you something. Because that man should step up and take care of that child. And believe it or not, I know what it feels like because I am a single mom myself.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this video is not the entire video that's out on social media. I understand me, but I just bring a piece of the video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said. You see me? And on a real, I agree with some of the things that this person had said. You understand? Miss Donna do some good work. You know, Miss Donna help a lot of persons out there. You understand me? Yeah, and you know, our program, I should say, Miss Donna program help a lot of persons out there. And we really and truly find it good to see that, you know, this program is doing something to uplift the citizens of the country of Jamaica. You understand? But anyways, let me know what I think about the whole thing. You know, let me know what I think about this video itself. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, you know. You know, big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.